What's good with it, YouTube? What's up? We're back with another video. Pretty excited, pretty happy to open this thing up. As you guys know, I did talk about the homie who hooked it up with the unions whenever I bought the size 9 and the size 5.5 for my lady. He sent me these right here. I told you guys this man, he's not playing, bro. He does bot and he's able to get you your shoes as soon as they get to him. You don't gotta wait on StockX, on GOAT. He might not have a crazy amount of sneakers on his eBay, but I will link him in the description down below so you guys could get plugged up too. So you guys see the people that I deal with, I'm gonna share my resources with you guys as well. Very good dude, solid dude, man. He hit me up and he said, hey bro, I got a 9.5 in these, do you want them? Last weekend I said, yeah bro, please man, you know, I'll take them from you. I sent him the money. I sent him the money that day. I sent him more than half the money that day. And then as soon as they got to him, I sent him the rest of the money. So this dude was so trustworthy. He could have just dipped off with my money and just erased my number, forgot all about me. Just pretty much he could have just ghosted me. But that's how you know this dude is real. I like to give people the benefit of the doubt. I wouldn't, of course, just throw my money at anybody, but this dude, we've been just chopping it up, man. And you know, it would really mean a lot to me if you guys just keep him in your sources, keep him in the list of people that you would mess with and that you would do business with. His name is I Got Goods For You on eBay. I'm gonna put his link in the description below. I'll put his Twitter as well. Maybe you guys could get a hold of him if there is a sneaker that you are interested in, so you ain't gotta get it from eBay, so you could just get it from him. And yeah, man, I mean, it helps him out. It helps you guys out from paying taxes and stuff like that on StockX and all that, and it helps him out. You know, you just avoid all the extra fees and stuff like that. Big shout out to you, bro. First off, I want to say thank you to everybody that's been subscribed to the channel. Thank you for everybody that's been showing love in the comment section, hitting the like button. I know we are not growing quick, and that's because I'm doing it the right way, guys. We're doing it the right way here at Jay Hernandez's channel. We're not buying subs, we're not buying likes, we're not doing none of that stuff. I don't even got social media, bro. We're doing it the right way. When we do get to whatever we get to, bro, it's gonna make me feel that much better. It's gonna make you guys feel that much better. It's gonna make the whole channel feel that much better, and just take a lot more pride that we are grinding this out together, bro. We're not doing nothing dirty. We're just over here enjoying our sneakers, unboxing the sneakers and chopping it up in the comment section. So once again, thank you guys so much. But this shoe right here is definitely one of the top 5 sneaker releases of the year. This is a shoe that I do not mind picking up a double up from. Man, you guys might already know what this is just by me telling you all that. Let me open it up. Make sure that lid don't fall. So I did get a note right here on top of the this little sticky note, and it does say, "Thanks, Jose. Enjoy your kicks, David." Big shout out to you, bro. Big shout out to you, bro. I appreciate you so much, man, and I'm glad that I was able to find a legit source that could hook me up with some sneakers. So anyway, man, this, you know, of course, underneath the box, it just has your stamp right there. And let's open these things up, man. Smells very, very good, man. Smells very, very good. And the shoe looks great, just like my other pair. Materials are nice. So you guys see that nice hourglass shape, that shape that you like to see. Shoe looks great. Extra laces, possibly sneaker of the year. Let's take this other one out. Got your little sticker, you know, and you could just smell the goodness, the officialness of the sneaker as it comes out the box. There you guys have it, another pair of the Jordan 1 Mochas. Glad to have these in the collection. This is a pair in a size 9.5, so this is my second pair. So that's a 9.5 right there. This is my second pair and these Mochas in a 9.5. I wouldn't mind a size 9, but I'm just happy to have anything around the 9 is good with me. A 9.5. 8.5 would be kind of hard to squeeze into just because Jordan 1s for me are very narrow. But as far as these go, man, 9.5 will do. Maybe throw a sneaker shield in there. Something like that. But man, this shoe is very beautiful. The sneaker is very nice. Thank you, David, again, bro, for doing business with your boy, man, and sending these out to me. He could have easily backed away and said, nah bro, they're going up in price, or I could sell them locally for more. but you know, he still sent them out to me and I appreciate it. They do have very good quality. You guys see them in the back right there, just very nice quality. And the suede material, this one came with like a little glue stain, but that's not really a big deal to me. These are laced up, that's why they don't have the hourglass shape. You guys see that? Once you lace them up, you can't really go off of the hourglass shape when legit chicken. Don't mind having, this was actually supposed to, I was going to sell this to one of my boys for the price that I got them from him for, and I wasn't going to tax him since I had already picked this pair up, and I had told the homie from eBay that I was going to buy his pair. After I told him that I was gonna buy his pair before I bought these, and I didn't mind doubling up either way, but my boy did tell me that he wanted these and that he would take them. He ended up finding another pair locally, so I pretty much got stuck with the extra pair, which I mean I really don't mind. It's not a big deal, but I'm just glad to have them in the collection. Another Jordan 1 Mocha. Y'all let me know your top 3 Jordan 1 releases of this year. I'm very excited to know what your top 3 Jordan 1s of the year are. I'm pretty sure it's going to be something around the likes of Biohacks, Mochas, and Royal Toes. That's just me guessing, but y'all let me know, man. Maybe some of you guys like the Court Purple 2.0s or something else like that, but y'all just let me know. It's your boy Jay Hernandez, and we picked up another nice little heater. Y'all know we unboxing heaters over here, bro. We unboxing different things. You guys stay tuned, man. It's about to get real lit. It's about to get real crazy up in the channel, bro. Real crazy real soon, man. Just stay patient with your boy, and hey, man, y'all have a good one. Have a good day. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your day. And it's your boy Jay Hernandez, and we're out of here. We'll be on to the next video, bro. The next pickup. Ladies.
You're crazy, bitch. Look at that.